Right, we're going to get the main piece of accenting working now, which is going to be wrapping the roof on this. So I'm just cutting it off using 3M 2080, so there is a cap on this. Again, always have to be wary that each film has its pitfalls. 3M doesn't have the clearest kind of orange peel effect to it. It's one of the more orange peely ones, films. I particularly like Arlon and Oracle, but installing the black, it scratches like crazy. Even if you use water, it scratches. 3M 2080 has a cap on it, so you can literally install it scratch-free, and it is installable with the cap. It's a little bit more difficult, but it is installable. So we're going to get this on now, and yeah, let's get moving. Perfect. Probably a little bit too big, but I don't know if you can see this, but you've got quite a heavy concave in this roof, so a lot of pulling. It's not as simple as it looks. It's nice because it's got no aerial, but you can see how the film is under tension just by laying it. See how it's creasing up at this front section? So I've got some pulling to do to get this sorted and get it on. Bit of a precarious angle up there. So let's get cracking. Gonna peel the backing paper like so. Stick it to the car like so, and then we're gonna try and smoothly. It's not always very graceful on your own. Like this. This is not graceful. See if I can pull that a little bit more. That would help. Like so. So you're watching a solo roof wrap here. So we're going to peel the back in like so. Get rid of this paper, do not leave it on the floor, it's very slippy. So, what we're going to do, we're going to start working in our corners. I'm going to work corner, corner. See, I've come off a little bit here. So we need to pick this back up. And this is where it can get a little bit tricky. But that doesn't look too bad. So we want to get it down roughly to where we need it to be. And then we're just going to keep working. Keep working, work corner to corner. That's what we don't want. Does obviously massively help if you've got somebody with you. So hopefully I can get it on this one. So you've seen the real thing. This is how wrap is. You know, you're on your own, doing solo installs. That looks a bit better. You know, sometimes it can be a bit finicky to get down. Don't be afraid to give it a good pull. Can you see? It's almost wrapping itself. Don't be afraid to keep working it down. Always, I like this shimmy. This shimmy kind of evens out the film. And I'm really giving this a good pull now to get round this concave section on the roof. So there you see it. This is real time. It's taken me about 3 minutes so far. And we are nearly got a bit more pulling to do here. So what I'll do, really get this up really big pull, guys. That's good. Now, that's what I want to see. I want to see my wrinkles coming in the direction where I'm pulling, because then I can pick up this middle and then I can pull it this way. So think of your corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. Work your 4 corners. Spread the middle tension, and then we're going to hinge down the middle and start squeezing. Simple as that. Now squeezing. Important technique. So I've done one lock line. I can do it this way or I can do it this way. And now I'm going to work, and I'm pressing hard, guys. I'm not messing around with this. I'm not messing around with this at all. So now I can split it. So there's a split. And I'm just going to work it down. Remember, this has still got the cap on it, so it's not as malleable as it would be if it didn't have a cap. I hope you can still hear me because I'm facing away from the camera, so let me repeat that. It's got a cap on it, so the film is a lot stiffer, so take your time. But you can see the scratches. You can see the scratches appearing already. So it's really nice to be able to just take my time and know that I'm going to get a really nice finish for the customer on this roof. Lovely. Lovely. So there's one quarter done. So now I'm going to do the same on this side. This is real time, guys. So far, about 4 minutes. And then I'll be trimming it out shortly. Lovely. There's something really therapeutic about vinyl wrapping. It's a beautiful thing. She said she wants me out of frame, guys. Anyway, so look, we're going to cut. I've cut along the glass here. So I'm just using the edge of the glass to give me a nice straight line. I'm going to cut along the seal here, and then I'm going to peel the top off so you guys can see. So far it's taken me about 10 minutes to do this roof, so not long. But remember, lots of pulling each side. Get it like, think of it like a bed sheet. Corner, corner, middle. Corner, corner. I bet if you're messy like her, your bed just looks all crumpled up. Yeah? Because I know her bed always looks crumpled up. Right, so as you can see, a lot of scratches on there. Got the cap here. So it's all installed nice and neatly. Nice and neat. So we're going to pull that out.